Welcome to Scrape Genius. How to use the private limited scraper. First, visit our tool. Here you can also read our instructions on how it works. Now, you need to load the states. It will show you the number of states. Select any state. Now, understand how to target or select the start date. During date selection, it will automatically select 90 days from the selected date. After that, click Add. It will add your query to the query list. To add multiple states, you can follow the same process. Now, click Start to start the process. Once the process is done, you can check your records in the table list below. As you can see here, the website, email, and phone number are 0. To extract these details, simply click on the Deep Extractor button. It will try to find these details from other reliable sources. Once this process is completed, you can see the phone number and other details in the table below. You can download these records or export them to Google Drive. Thank you for watching.